guys, it's Melissa here from Melissa Shares, and it's end of day Melissa. I just got back from Costco with 2 children. They're making noise in the background. If you follow me here, welcome back. And I wanted to just share with you that I went to Costco today and was able to buy the things that I really wanted to buy because we've been pulling back for about a year, but we finally got paid a big paycheck that we've been waiting on for a year. And the check has finally cleared. So while I always am conscious of what I'm spending and I try to spend responsibly, I went to Costco and I didn't hold back as much as usual. I bought a few things that are my favorite items and I bought a few things in preparation for Father's Day that I wanted to share with you. Today I spent $240 at Costco. So just by looking, you can see how quickly $240 will disappear at Costco, especially if you are buying liquor. So let's talk about that first because Father's Day is coming up and summer is coming up and I am tired of drinking cheap wine. So I bought some nice wine today. Costco always carries a rotation of different wines, so this may not be the one at your store, but they have been carrying a sancerre for under the $20 price point. This sancerre is $14.99 at Costco right now. I've had it before, I love it, I've missed it, and the weather's getting warm and I can't wait to drink it. So I stocked up on 4 bottles of sancerre right there that went $60. $60? Yeah. There it went, $60. And I got 2 inexpensive bottles that are very delicious. This is a Kirkland brand Sauvignon Blanc. We picked up 2 of those. Those were like $7 or $8 a bottle. Next up, Father's Day is coming. We're providing the meat and protein to put on the grill and everyone's bringing side dishes. So for Father's Day, we're gonna have beer and brats. Here is some of the beer. And in addition, we're gonna throw in some cheap beer that we already have, but there's tons of great beer sampler packs for the summer, and these are about $1 a can at Costco right now. Over here is the other thing I'm serving for Father's Day. I'm gonna throw these in my freezer. I love all of the salmon or salmon-like variations at Costco. They have the Copper River wild-caught salmon right now, but I did not splurge for that. For about half the price, I bought farmed steelhead. Those go in the freezer, then we're gonna throw them on the grill or under the broiler. Also, I am treating myself and my children to prosciutto. I do send kosher lunches to our day school, but we love prosciutto. We're gonna have this with melons I just bought, and this is our favorite cheese, the Jarlsberg cheese. We buy it by the block. As you know, I love eggs. We cook a ton of eggs in our household and they are really economical. I buy my eggs by the 60 pack at Costco. We also, although I do avoid buying produce at Costco because it's hard to get through. I did pick up broccoli. So we're gonna eat some of this. I'm probably gonna share it with some neighbors who just had a baby. And tonight, in like literally 30 seconds, I'm gonna toss this salad and feed it to myself and my husband and feed the kids something else probably. We picked up trash bags. We picked up melons. These were $2 a melon. I think it was $4 for the 2. It was a good price. I did splurge on fancy potatoes because you know what? I really like fancy potatoes. And the children and I and my husband, we love bread. I try not to buy tons of bread, but we did get these little beautiful sandwich rolls. I'm gonna freeze some to keep me away from them and we'll have some for breakfast and for lunches. That is the roundup. I always buy gas at Costco. I filled up my tank for about $40. We pay a ton for gas in California, so Costco is the way to go. As you can see, this isn't gonna go that far. Oh, I did get mushrooms, I should mention. We're gonna be doing short ribs in the slow cooker with the mushrooms. I can post my favorite Rick Bayless recipe down below. We're definitely gonna be enjoying that one. The salmon we're gonna enjoy another day. The prosciutto is going to be quickly wrapped around this melon and gobbled up by us. And it's a happy day here. So let me know down below what you think, what your favorite items are. Is there anything I missed that's your must-have item from Costco? Let me know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.